Okay, so in this video, we're going to do this seam here. So it's fairly easy. So we just fold it, just pick any mark there, and then we just fold it in. Make sure that we sort of grab it there on the side. And this one as well. So this is fairly easy. Make sure, luckily the print pattern is here so one can align fairly easily. This one here. We'll see now how it looks. And then I need to change the needles on this machine. I did a lot of jackets and never changed the needle, but it sounds fine still. Okay, so we've done the seam here now, or the hem, let me call it my hem here at the bottom. I'm not sure what you call it exactly. So this is now going to be the outside, and this is going to be the inside. So what we'll do next is, so we completed this one here now. So next is we're going to do just the overlock here, overlock the edge here, and then we'll put everything together in the next video. Okay. So it's a fairly easy scattered cushion.